Okay, so I decided to do my last video on the ovary because I felt like it was the one concept that I had a really good grasp on. So I'm just gonna start by drawing it. And the first thing you start off with is an egg nest. So I'm just gonna draw our little egg nest. I also find this part really interesting because all the oocytes a female will ever produce are present on her ovaries prior to birth. And then from here, follicles are released. And then sometimes the follicles don't make it, so atresion happens. So we lose some, more follicles are released, more atresion is gonna occur until you get a dominant follicle or a tertiary follicle. Inside your tertiary follicle, you have an egg called granulosa cells, which actually produces the estrogen. And from here, your dominant follicle can be ovulated. So it can just go out. And then here, you have something called the corpus hemorrhagium. And from this is where your CL is going to form. So if your egg that gets released through ovulation gets fertilized, you're gonna have the formation of the CL, and the CL is what produces your progesterone. The CL will help maintain the pregnancy, but when the pregnancy ends, or if the egg doesn't get fertilized, your CL is gonna lyse. And then your cycle just starts over. Another thing that I briefly wanted to mention was the parts of the ovary, or like dividing the phases. So I'm just gonna draw a line. So the top half, this half, is called the follicular phase. Which is estrogen dominant, which is again produced by this granulosa cell. The bottom half of the ovary is called the luteal phase, which is progesterone dominant. And again, that progesterone is produced by your CL right here.